Hello, hello, hello! I'm here to try these Crunchsters Simply Sea Salt Crunch Mung Beans. They are a sprouted super snack with 6 grams of protein. And there's 4 servings in bag. Each serving is about 1/3 of a cup and it's 150 calories. 0 sugars. Here's the packaging. If you've ever had these before, let me know what you thought of them. I've never had these before or anything similar to these, so I've heard of mung beans before, but zero experience as far as I know. I don't recall ever trying them. Okay, it just smells like a roasted. No, it's like a roasted bean or yeah. Crunchy. I can taste the sea salt. Oh. There's not much of a flavor. It's crunchier than a puffed rice, but it almost reminds me of a puffed rice. Here, Lisa, try this. Yeah, it definitely did good with the salt.
Interesting.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Yeah, sea salt's nice.
And it's mung bean, sprouted mung bean.
Beans. It's like a Rice Krispie.
That's what I was thinking. It's like a puffed rice. So, yeah, I would give this a 4 out of 5. I think it's pretty darn good. And it's a healthy snack with a punch of protein. If you haven't tried this before, have you ever tried anything that has mung bean in it? Let me know. I don't think it's a very common ingredient, to be honest with you. But it's definitely one I'm open to from now on. It is good. I'll see if I can find a link. If I can, I'll put it below. Thank you so much for watching this video.